What up, guys? Welcome back. So today we are talking about how to set up an LLC in Alaska two different ways. So the first way we're going to talk about is just doing it solo. There's only 6 steps, and I'm going to walk you through the process, going over everything that you need to know as we go. The second way leaves all of the heavy lifting to a professional company to do all of the work for you. These companies are all-in-one online platforms that help businesses form their own LLCs. They're a team of experts who will handle all of the legal work of starting your business, making the process very easy and stress-free. So sit back and hang out if you want to learn more about LLCs and how to set one up. So what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or an LLC for short, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming your LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, separating your personal assets from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets probably can't be touched to pay those bills. Also, LLCs give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. Now, this flexibility and the liability protection make the LLC a very popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting new or existing ventures. Now, you can set up your LLC 2 different ways, like I mentioned earlier. So to start, I'm going to start with the do-it-yourself approach, where you go through the filing process all by yourself. Now, just so you know, in many states, LLCs are formed at the state level. Alaska is too. They are registered through the Alaska Department of Corporations. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started on what setting up an LLC looks like in Alaska. So the first step that you need to do is you need to choose your name for your LLC. You can use the Alaska Department of Corporations website to see what names have already been taken in the state, so you can make sure that the name you want is available. Now, there are a few guidelines Alaska has when it comes to naming your LLC. For example, the business name must include some variation of words. Limited liability company, it can be abbreviated, spelled out, or a mix of both. The business name can include the names of government agencies. The name can't have a city, borough, or village in it. And finally, all the LLC members must have valid certifications if the business uses certain professional words like attorney or engineer. Now, if your business is advertising law or engineering service, you gotta show that you can professionally perform that service. You can get a business name registration of that name for $25. That registration will last for 5 years and it is renewable. Now, in order to register your business name, you need to get a business license from the state of Alaska. The cost here is $50 and can be done online or by mail. I want to be clear, this doesn't get you an LLC. There's still more we have to do. This is a state requirement Alaska has, and it does need renewal each year your LLC is in operation. Now, next, we need to file the Articles of Organization with the state. This is your application to be an LLC. In it, you include your business name that we registered in the first step and what you intend to do or sell in the business. Now, Alaska does this a little bit differently than some other states. They use the North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS code. In a nutshell, this is a catalog of different industries. So on your application, you're going to pick that code that best fits your business. Now, you're also going to list your registered agent, how the LLC will be managed, and anything else you feel necessary to add in the application. The cost is $250. A registered agent's job is to get and process important legal documents for the business. In Alaska, there are some guidelines of who that individual or company can be. If the agent is an individual, they must be a resident of Alaska and only Alaska. If for some reason the agent will be leaving the state, their mail can't be forwarded or held, and the state of Alaska must be notified. And a $25 fee to name a new agent has to be paid. If you're having trouble finding one, attorneys and law firms can be registered agents, but the members of the LLC can't be an agent for their business. Now, the next step is to create an operating agreement for your LLC. The operating agreement outlines the organizational structure, the daily duties, and the general rules of your LLC. It lets members know what their roles and responsibilities are, how ownership is split, how profits or losses are divided up, what happens if a member wants to leave the LLC or end it altogether, and the decision-making process behind that. So basically, an operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and sets the tone of how the business should run. Now, these agreements can and should be updated whenever there's a change. While the state of Alaska doesn't require LLCs to have one, it's incredibly important in order to avoid misunderstandings and problems you might face down the line. Next, you're going to need an employer identification number, or an EIN. Think of this as a social security number for your business. Getting one is important if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you're going to need to prepare your business to pay the necessary taxes. In Alaska, personal income isn't taxed, so there are no state taxes to be paid. There are, however, still federal taxes that would be due. Taxes are paid through the member's personal tax return, as well as taxes. There are some other requirements Alaska has in order to keep your LLC running. There is an annual business license we mentioned earlier, running for $50 a year, and there are biannual reports. After starting your LLC, an initial report is due within 6 months. There is no cost to file that report. Then every 2 years, an updated report is required to be sent to the state. After the initial report, the cost is $100 every 2 years. Now, if handling all of that paperwork and the deadlines sounds overwhelming, I get it, but there is a much easier way to get this done. I don't have the time to do it properly, and honestly, I will mess it up. So that's why I use ZenBusiness to take care of it. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up an LLC using their platform. Now, obviously, there are other great services that I've tried like Tailor Brands, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings. So if you're curious to learn more about those, I've linked my in-depth reviews down in the description. And of course, you'll find a ZenBusiness link there too. Sometimes there are better deals available, so feel free to check those out while they're still active. All right, now let's go through how you actually apply for an LLC using ZenBusiness. The first step is to click the Start an LLC button on its website. From there, you'll type in the name you've picked for your LLC and select Alaska from the drop-down menu. Next up, you're going to answer some questions about your business, and the system will suggest any extras you might need based on your situation, something like a registered agent. Then you're just going to pick the ZenBusiness plan that works best for you. It starts with a free starter plan, and you only need to pay the state filing fee, which makes it a budget-friendly choice for new entrepreneurs. Now, this tier covers essential LLC filings with a 100% accuracy guarantee and even includes optional first-year compliance monitoring at no extra charge. From there, their Pro plan costs around $200 a year plus state fees. It does add rush filing, so your application can be processed in just 1 business day. You're also going to need an EIN and an operating agreement included, which saves you from having to pay extra for those separately. Now, the premium plan is about $300 per year plus state fees and includes everything in the Pro plan, along with an AI website builder, a custom domain, a business email address, access to a library of document templates, and priority support. So whether you're just getting started or looking for a more streamlined way to handle the paperwork, ZenBusiness gives you a few solid options to choose from. And basically, that's it. It really is that easy. So you can try setting up your LLC in Alaska yourself or let a business formation service handle the process for you. Honestly, it just depends on your situation and what works best for you. If you're short on time or you just want to make sure everything is done right, ZenBusiness is a solid option. They guide you through the process, handle the filings, and even include helpful extras like compliance reminders and an operating agreement, depending on your plan. Now, if you don't mind doing a bit of research and you want to save some money, then you could just do it all yourself. Either way, you've got options, and it's not as scary or as difficult as it sounds. All right, so that wraps up this video. If it was helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And again, if you're thinking about trying ZenBusiness, check out the affiliate link in the description below that takes you straight to their website. Sometimes we do have special deals in the links, so check it out and see if they're still available. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.